Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Dr. Jacobs. In this video, I'm gonna go over how to diagnose occipital neuralgia. So what is occipital neuralgia? Occipital neuralgia is a type of headache that usually happen on one side and start from the back of the bottom of your neck like this and go up to one side. Some patients actually have it in both sides. So usually the symptoms is piercing, throbbing pain, and sometimes you could experience like electric shock that's shooting upward on your head. So upper neck and the back of your head, and sometimes behind your ears, usually on one side. As you see in this image here, you have the occipital nerves, and that's a C1, C2, and C3 that is located in this area right underneath the skull here, that actually is distributing the nerve sensation to the one side of the head. And when you have occipital neuralgia, there is something compressing on one or combination of those three nerves that causing the sharp shooting pain that going in this direction. So this is the skull, and this is where you have the C1 to C3 attachment that goes upward to the head, and that's where you have the compression that's happening that cause radiculopathy or occipital neuralgia pain that goes up to the head for the nerve distribution. So it usually starts from here and going all the way up and sometimes to the forehead and behind one eye. And some patient could have occipital neuralgia on both sides of the neck, and they're radiating pain and going up to the forearm and behind their eyes. So the pain usually aching, burning, throbbing, and as you see here, there's a lot of muscle, there's a lot of structure here that could cause compression on the occipital nerve that could cause the occipital neuralgia. So there's a lot of structure, and I go over surprising causes for occipital neuralgia in the video, in another video. It's very important to watch that video, because if you know the causes, you will know how to treat it properly. So it could be the muscular system that compressing on the occipital nerve while it's going upward to distribution, and could be other reasons that I will cover it in the other video. Feel free to check my other video on the 7 surprising causes for occipital neuralgia pain. Those are very important to understand, to address in order to get to the root cause of occipital neuralgia pain and treat it properly. I will leave a link for those videos underneath this description of this video. If you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment section and I will answer it in the future video. We'll see you soon. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.